Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Jarrett. Welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be building a new streaming PC using the new Ryzen 5 5600X. Before this video begins, I just want to tell you guys that links and prices to everything are going to be in the description down below. If you have any questions, you can meet me on Twitch. I stream Tuesdays and Thursdays at upHere. And with that being said, let's get on to the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I got a little bit of a head start. This is our case. It is a Corsair 275R Airflow. I already have the power supply in the back here. It's a Corsair CX 550 watt. And so now I'm gonna start putting the fans in. Alright, now that that's done, we can move this out of the way. And begin on our motherboard. For the motherboard, I went with an ASRock B550M Pro 4. And the only reason I really went with this was it was on sale, so I got it for around $85. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is remove this cover and just get it out of the way, install my NVMe SSD. Clicks right in. And we will reinstall our plate. Alright, now next thing I'm going to do is install that CPU. The CPU is probably the best part of this build. It's the all-new Ryzen 5 5600X. I got it the day it came out for $300. To install that, all we have to do is peel up our little bar here. Take our nice new Ryzen processor. Sit it in here, make sure that gold arrow marks up with the marked corner, and just push down our bar. Just like that. Make sure when you're doing that, guys, that it just drops right into place and it doesn't have to fight it or anything like that. It should just fall right in and you'll be good to go. Next thing we have to do is install our RAM. For RAM, I'm using two OLOy 8GB sticks at 3200 megahertz. I think I got these for around $61. So to do that, we just flick up our little edges here, grab our sticks, line them up, and just click them in. just like that. Okay, so now you can see I got the case sitting here. So first thing we need to do is install our I/O shield. Okay, now that that's in, I can place my motherboard into my case. Make sure all the standoffs line up. And then we can screw the motherboard down. Now we need to remove these screws so we can install our CPU cooler. Then we just take our new cooler and sit it right down in place, screw it in. And now that that's done, we can go on and we can install our GPU. So the GPU I chose is a MSI GeForce Ventus XS 2060. It's the overclocked edition. The reason I chose this was it was on sale. Normally this goes for around $340. I got it on sale for $300. Okay, so off camera, I clocked this a little bit. That was just to make the AMD logo line up. It was bothering my OCD. Just a reminder that because this is the cooler that came with the CPU, it already has thermal paste on it. If you guys are using a different cooler, then make sure you guys do not forget thermal paste. Horrible idea. But now we can install our GPU. So to do that, we need to remove these two and flick our little lever over there. Just snaps right in. Then we can reinstall our screws over here. Okay, so now that I have that in, pretty much all that we have left to do is a whole bunch of wiring, cleaning up our wires, and then booting it and getting our Windows OS installed. So I will see you guys then when I finish all that up. Here's the finished build, guys. I think it turned out pretty well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you have any more ideas on what I should make for videos, you can drop that in the comments as well. And if you guys have any questions, ask away. I'll be more than happy to answer. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more of me, I'm going to be streaming on Twitch Tuesdays and Thursdays, so link down below to that too. Also, keep an eye out on YouTube for videos. I'm going to be trying to post at least once a week on here, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit a like if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I just need something. Oh yes.
What a
shot.
Beautiful.